Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you a very easy skill from which you can earn money through freelancing and other uh, like you can use it your own for your own business or you can use for clients etc. So guys, the skill is social media design. I will tell you a website from which you can get hundreds of free social media templates. So let's get started. First of all, we will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com is one of the freelancing platform where you can sell your service and buyer pays you. So here I write social media design. So as you can see, there are 6,24,000 services available. So design unique social media post on mental health. Uh, we will open one of the gig like this. This is a pro account. So in basic, first of all, I would like to convert the currency into USD. So in basic package, he charged $600 and he only provides one platform included audit upgrade of branding of one platform including templates and best practices. In standard, he charged $1,050 and three platforms include source file commercial use. And after that, premium $1,500. Five platforms include source file commercial use. So this is a very easy work. I will show you how you can use this. You can also check his gig, but do not copy his gig words. Uh, Take inspiration from this gig and make your own. So that's it for the freelancing platform. Let's go to the website where we can get 100 of free templates. The website name is jitter.video. Wait for some seconds. Yes. So as you can see, you can do video editing, you can do motion graphics, free social media templates, etc. So I click on template. I click on social media. You can, as you can see, tweet, product of the week, phone notification, text messages. Like there are a lot of, you know, templates. So I want to create a tweet. So I click on this tweet. You can completely edit this tweet. So guys, this is our template. And now you can see that this is the text. And here I am changing the text that subscribe to my channel. So after that, when I click on this play button, so as you can see, so I want to edit this text, so you can change this text in subscribe to my channel. So when you click on this, as you can see, your tweet is complete. You can also change the name, but I think it's okay. So as you can see, our template is ready. So guys, you can also choose the format like 1020p, but I want to be stick on 720p. You can choose the size, you can choose the color, duration, 0 0.1 second. So as you can see, 3 like this. So guys, in this way you can make edit your template, and you can also use different templates like logo template, free animated logo templates. You can animate your logo, social media templates, video titles, and ads template, and website templates. This website is very handy and very useful website. So guys, I hope you like the video. That's it for today. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn. You can provide these all services on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. You can design buttons, you can design icons for clients, you can design UI elements. There are a lot of opportunities. So guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.